attitude, know what to do. You know who I'm watching? Shorty is cute, she got the juice. She my favorite option. Ayana. Tune in to Ayana.
Hey guys, it's Ayana. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am on the floor. Don't ask why I'm on the floor, but I just kind of want to stay here, so I just pulled my tripod down. I have so much stuff. I'm getting ready to go on vacation, you feel me? My birthday. Today we're doing a fashion overhaul, and I'm going to show you guys some stuff that I got. So this is the first outfit I got. I got it because I like the little colors that it had. It's like this tie-dye brown set. I tried it on for y'all, so that's why it's all fucked up. But this tie-dye brown set, I got to the size small. It has biker shorts, and then it has this cute little halter top. So it looks way better on, but like it's so complicated to put on, so I leave it how it came so that I don't have to worry about all that. So yeah, because like the tag is back here. It's so stupid. Like a bandana type of top, like this, like this. Okay, there we go. So it's like this. So it's like a diamond top, and then the back is literally like, there's no back. So it's just these little strings that they're on the side. So it's like a completely open back, which is gonna look so cute. And yeah, I thought this color looked really good on my skin, really good for the moment. So yeah, I got this cute little set. It fits very, very tight. Like Fashion Nova blows me with their fittings. Like, why does it feel like that? Like, this is not a stretchy, comfortable type of size. Like, this is tight. Like, you can see everything. Like, it's not the comfortable type of tight. Like, you would think that these are really stretchy, like that's why I got it, but this material isn't like the comfortable type of stretch. Like, it's like barely stretching. Polyester spandex. Yeah, that's why. That's why. One wash and it's over for me. So probably get one worth of wear out of this, but this is how it looks. So yeah, I love, like, look at this. Look at this color. It's like a pretty little sunset color. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to have gave. I'm here for it. I can't wait to wear this. So this next item that I got is a dress. Oh, I don't feel like getting up for this, but I'm probably gonna have to. And this is called the Slitsation Vacation Maxi Dress. I feel like that was a tongue twister. Slitsation Vacation Maxi Dress. It's coral in a size small, and so here it is. It's this maxi dress, and the girl on the thing had it up, but I noticed that it's like one sleeve is regular, and then this one is like a off the shoulder. So you could do one off the shoulder. I was just doing both off the shoulder, but you could do one sleeve off the shoulder, one on top, or you could do both on top. I couldn't even tell that, you know, this sleeve is freaking a regular t-shirt sleeve, and then this one is like no sleeve. Like, that's crazy. Very pretty though. So it's this long maxi dress, which I love, and it has this slit on the side, which is basically open from here to here on the left side of the dress. So all open, but it has this tie up right here at the hip, so you know your booty isn't out, and it's just so adorable. It's definitely giving vacation, something that you can just slide on, go get breakfast, go lay by the pool, you know, go to the front desk. Like, I need stuff like that. Love this color. Completely complements the skin. So pretty, and it's definitely a vacation type of color. I love bright colors and big, like, vibrant prints on vacation and in the summer period. So yes, that's what you guys are gonna see a lot of, is prints and big colors. The next dress that I got is this tube dress. Everything is a size small, by the way. So this is size small. I got this tube dress and it's called the Love and Runched midi dress. Yeah, midi dress, and it's in the color lavender. Love the color. Tube dress, and it has runches on the side, so you can adjust the strings however. So if you want it shorter, you can make it shorter. If you want it tighter, you can make it tighter. If you want it like loose, you can make it loose. So it's like a do-it-yourself type dress. I love that you can do different styles with it, and it has 2 slits at the bottom, like way at the bottom, because it's a midi dress, so it's kind of flowy at the bottom. And I love the little details about this dress. This is perfect for just sliding on, like I said, going to get something, going out to eat, going to chill, where you just want to make a statement but you still want to be like effortless. So I thought it was going to be really small because look at it, it looks like you fit like a toothpick, but that's just the way it's like scrunched up. It's stretchy, really, like anyone can fit this size. This is a small. Because of the way you can adjust it, I really feel like anyone can get a small, and it should have just been like a one size fit all type thing. But yeah, very stretchy and super comfortable. Definitely not like the biker shorts. This is, does it have the material? Well, oh wait, here it is. Okay, it is cotton and 5% spandex. So yeah, the cotton is definitely a win for vacation. It feels really good. Now the only thing is that I hate when they have this elastic band, but obviously it's to keep the dress up, but sometimes it gets so uncomfortable. Ew, period. So this is a jumpsuit, this next thing that I got, and it's called the Genie Baby jumpsuit, black in a size small. Oh my god. So I originally got this as an airport outfit, but then I got a new suitcase and I got an outfit to match my suitcase, so I don't really know what the purpose of this outfit would be for, but I plan on going on a trip every month this summer, so I would definitely get used to this somehow, some way if I don't wear it. I have a feeling that a lot of this stuff will probably be saved for the next trip, which is great because then I don't have to spend extra money. On the opening of the jumpsuit or the front of it, it has 2 slides, so 2 little slits. It's completely open right here, so side boob right here, side boob on the other side, right? It has this cute little tie around belt around the waist, so right here is where you can cinch in your waist to give it more of a cute, sexy look, like very tied in, very cinched, very no waist. And then under here it has 2 slits on the side, so both sides are completely open of this outfit now. And then it has like a little scrunch at the end so that, you know, it's not all over the place, you're not all over the place with your look. But yeah, so at the bottom it all comes together, so it's completely open, and you guys will see when I try this on. But y'all, I thought I was gonna go to the airport with this. I mean, hey, why not? But on the other side, I like to be comfortable in the airport, and it was not giving. But this is so cute, oh my god. And then on the back of it, it has like this little, I don't know what you call this, but it's like a triangle design. Completely needed. I'm always here for the minimal designs, okay? Let me just tell you now, if you got a big butt, I don't know, sis, unless you just don't care, which is fine, then you may not want to get it if you're thick, because I swear one wrong move and my whole vagina would be out. Like you gotta like really move carefully with this if you're thick. Luckily for me, you know, slim, so I don't really have to do as much, but when I bend over, when I'm like reaching out to get something, it will get a little wide over there and kind of exposed. So be careful, but this is a must buy. One of my favorite things, so never mind. You know, I love everything, but definitely one of my favorites. I wish that they had other colors. Like if this was in like a yellow, a orange, oh, this would have just been one of the outfits to go out like this. The next piece of clothing that I got, I have some words about this dress. Okay, so this is the Camilla satin maxi dress, champagne. So first of all, we love Camilla, okay? This is a little like flowy maxi dress. It only has a zipper in the back, but it has two little cutouts under the boob. It has padding right here and this long tassel in the front that ombres with the dress. So the dress is an ombre champagne into rose dress, super flowy, super comfortable. But I have some words for Camilla, so let's get into it. Camilla, I don't like the fact that it looked so different on the picture. Like, I'm gonna show you guys the picture right here. Tell me this looks like the same type of material. Like, even though I didn't peep that it says satin dress, but it did not look like a satin dress. Like, it looked like cotton, like the material of the coral dress, like something that would be more like lively, not really see-through. Like, this is a little bit see-through, as in you could probably see my silhouette under it. I wasn't here for the material because I thought I was getting something else. And then it does say champagne when I read the tag. See, reading is fundamental. It does say champagne when I read the tag, but on it, on the picture, does this not look like light pink going into like a dark pink to y'all? Like, it's just not really looking like it. So I was semi disappointed, but it's still cute, still something I would just throw on and wear. And this is so cute. It's just giving Nubian princess to me, and I love it. Like, beach wedding. Definitely one of those vibes. I'm not getting up anymore, but I love the ombre. It was just throwing me off a little how different it was, but it's still something cute, and I'm definitely still wearing it. It's like $55, so you know to wear it. You know, Fashion Nova taxes on their maxi dresses. Like, one of them I saw, they were like $100. I saw Leah J in it. I was like, yeah, it makes sense. I was looking at that, I was like, I'm not paying $100 for no maxi dress. Yeah, Fashion Nova, y'all really catfished on this one, but it's still cute. And yeah, so Camilla satin maxi dress could have been my favorite. I was really looking forward to this one the most, but they scammed, as they do the best. So yeah, okay, next is the shoes. Well, I only got one pair of shoes, and I got this to match my outfits I'm wearing at night, because I know that I got heels to go with the outfit. You guys see my AliExpress haul. It may not be out yet, but if it is out, you've seen the outfit. I told y'all, just connect that the shoes these are the shoes I got to go with that red outfit. Okay, so yeah, I know I'm gonna take my heels off eventually, especially if I've been in them all day. So I got these tribal print type of heels, super oh, they went off focus. Super cute. I mean, look at the details of this shoe. Like, I love that it has sequins. I love that it has multiple colors. I can wear this with other outfits too, like as many outfits as I please. I see oranges, golds, yellows, blues, greens. I see, well, yeah, I see a little bit of green. I see a whole bunch of stuff, pink, white, like, so yeah, I can wear this a lot of times. I love this shoe. I think it's so cute. And I got it in size 9, so they fit really nice. And yeah, and this shoe is called Hippie 34. Hippie is definitely right. Like, it looks like that type of shoe, like I'm in a little band with my ukulele and just like I just be vibing out. Last but not least, my beautiful sunnies that I got from Fashion Nova. If you guys are here for my TikTok, then y'all know already about the sunnies, okay? It's always the sunnies for me. So I'm gonna start off with the Got You Covered Shield sunglasses. Let me tell you guys something. Fashion Nova also taxes a lot on their sunglasses. I got a sale, so all these sunglasses were no more than $10. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Now, right now, how they look on the site, I don't know, but all less than 10 for me. So these are the Got You Covered sunglasses, and they call them shield sunglasses because they're huge, obviously. So that's why they call them that. But I love the gold bar detail on the sides. It's giving a luxury. It also has the gold hardware detailing on the inside of the glasses, which I love too. But yeah, this is how they look on. Okay, next ones I'm going to show you guys are these black Don't Stare sunglasses. Look at this. Black on the hardware, girl. Black on the freaking center of the glasses. They look like on. See, on these you can see my eyes just a little, but I don't mind. Definitely a vibe. Very bougie, very luxury. It's giving, and I love them. Next, I got these more rimless sunglasses. Obviously, I love the rimless look. And these are called, oh no, I don't have a name for these. I'll just put it right here. But these are these yellow rimless sunglasses. Not too much to tell. They're just definitely giving Y2K vibes. And they have gold hardware on the side. Had to make sure it's gold hardware on the side and the nose guards. Okay, I love these so much. So cute. I have to do this because I see only yellow. I want to see how they look on the camera. But yes, it's giving. Definitely wearing these. Gotta figure out a way to put them with something. But I'll be wearing these for sure. Okay, and the last shades that I got are these Solana shield sunglasses. Now this is really shield. I got these for the airport because I don't like having the whole shield because I just feel like it's stupid if I'm gonna wear a mask anyway. So I just wanted a little shield to go over my nose and eyes. So this is what I got. These are my airport glasses. Look at that. Okay, let's get them. If I'm mad and I'm just like okay. All right, I'm done. But yeah, super cute. Here for it. You know, you gotta be safe and cute. So definitely love that. So that is it for my Fashion Nova haul. Thank you for sitting with me on the floor and watching all the stuff I got. Let me know in the comments which one you liked or which one you would buy. I love all these, and you know, Fashion Nova let me down a little bit with the maxi dress, but it's still cute, so that's always good. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Keep those post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Tune in to Ayana.